This interstellar interloper appears to be a rocky, cigar-shaped object with a somewhat reddish hue. The object, named Oumuamua by its discoverers, is up to 1/4 mile, 400 meters, long and highly elongated, perhaps 10 times as long as it is wide. That aspect ratio is greater than that of any asteroid or comet observed in our solar system to date. While it's the first confirmed object from another star to visit our solar system, it may provide new clues into how other solar systems formed. The observations suggest this unusual object had been wandering through the Milky Way, unattached to any star system, for hundreds of millions of years before its chance encounter with our star system. Immediately after its discovery, telescopes around the world, including ESO's Very Large Telescope in Chile, were called into action to measure the object's orbit, brightness and color. Urgency for viewing from ground-based telescopes was vital to get the best data. Astronomers also found that it had a reddish color, similar to objects in the outer solar system, and confirmed that it is completely inert, without the faintest hint of dust around it. These properties suggest that Oumuamua is dense, composed of rock and possibly metals, has no water or ice, and that its surface was reddened due to the effects of irradiation from cosmic rays over hundreds of millions of years. A few large ground-based telescopes continued to track the fading object as it receded from our planet. Two of NASA's space telescopes, Hubble and Spitzer, tracked the object traveling about 38.3 kilometers per second relative to the Sun. Its outbound path is about 20 degrees above the plane of planets that orbit the Sun. The object passed Mars's orbit around November 1 and passed Jupiter's orbit in May of 2018. It traveled beyond Saturn's orbit in January 2019. As it leaves our solar system, Oumuamua will head for the constellation Pegasus. Preliminary orbital calculations suggest that the object came from the approximate direction of the bright star Vega, in the northern constellation of Lyra. Astronomers estimate that an interstellar object similar to Oumuamua passes through the inner solar system about once per year, but they are faint and hard to spot and have been missed until now. It is only recently that survey telescopes, such as Pan-STARRS 1, are powerful enough to have a chance to discover them. The Pan-STARRS team dubbed it Oumuamua, pronounced Oumuamua, which is Hawaiian for a messenger from afar arriving first. On the 27th of June 2018, astronomers reported a non-gravitational acceleration to Oumuamua's trajectory, potentially consistent with a push from solar radiation pressure. The resulting change in velocity during the period when it was near its closest approach to the Sun, summed to about 17 meters per second. Initial speculation as to the cause of this acceleration pointed to the comet-like outgassing, whereby volatile substances inside the object evaporate as the Sun heats its surface. It is unknown how long the object has been traveling among the stars. The solar system is likely the first planetary system that Oumuamua has closely encountered since being ejected from its birth star system, potentially several billion years ago.